I know I said if I got 50 likes, I would do a second part, and I got 3 likes on my last video, but I just, few people in the comments, by few I mean like one, just really wanted me to do a second part, so here I am. I actually got 1 seed. I'm gonna choose the blue one. Did I accidentally do the... Ugh, okay, I accidentally did the white one. Alright, so we are back here in... Oh, I almost fell there. It's a pig. Okay, so we're back here in, Villager City again. And in case you don't remember, this is the thing. Hi, thanks for coming. I want to welcome you to the Purple Palace. We are super excited that you are here. The party is about to start, but we must play some music we want to play. It's called Wait. Could you take a look around the place for us? P.S. If you want one of us to go with you, just feed one of us some seeds and they will follow you. Pete, who's also a parrot. So, eat dandelions? No? Okay, let's go. I'm gonna name you, no, why don't you guys tell me? What should I name my bird? Come on, bird. Let's look around. Wow, what is this place? Thing. What thing? What thing? What is this place? Also, I've never seen so many torches in my life. Okay, that looks kind of cool. Is this a parrot? Ooh, it's like the king parrot. That looks like a pretty parrot. Hey, if any of you know Mojang, tell him to, add that parrot in Minecraft. I doubt he will, but I want her to try, right? So we're still looking around. Ooh, is it free armor? Let's see. Armor stands can change their pose, sneak, and click on them to cycle through all the possible poses. Okay, know about that. You the worst, dude. Okay, you're gonna give me some armor? Armor stands will detect redstone from the top of a slab or dust. Well, what? Will it, like, change what it's doing? No, it doesn't do anything. Armor stands detect redstone. Oh my gosh, that's so cool! Oh, okay, so it moved a little bit. Let's... Oh, is that where I'm supposed to put the music disc? What's down here? You know what? Just in case, I'm gonna take that. Feel free to roast me in the comments about it. I don't mind at all. Not one bit. These parrots are sort of getting on my nerves. Don't dance with lava buckets. That's dangerous. Oh gosh. That guy's dancing with a lava bucket in his hands. I don't know. What? I don't know who told him to do that. I just fell. That kind of hurt. But, he's a little crazy. I'm stuck in the pit of jungle. I don't know where this music disc is. You know what? I don't recommend this to anyone. Don't cheat. But I am going to cheat. Okay, it was called Wait. So, no, okay. Disc. What? Oops. Oh. Of course I spelled disc wrong. I wanna die. Whoa! Whoa! Join him in here. Wait, what do I do? That's kind of cool. Clouds are... Okay, but they said it was the purple... Oh, a show for me! I can't put my hands in my... Clapping! Woohoo! So great! Let's just take a moment to enjoy this show. While I grab my charger. Someone join. Not charge. Stupid charger won't work. Ugh, okay. Well, whatever. Something's supposed to happen here. Oh, that's so cool. Man, that's just awesome. What do I do now? Ooh, I'm gonna take that. Can I dance with them? Okay, it's getting oh. Did a birdie die? Why am I picking up feathers? Oh, that just scares me. Wow. Oh, I like legit almost fell. Okay, is there anything else? From there again. Like, pretty fun-ish. It's fun, pretty fun-ish. What's over here? What is this for? Wait, what does this say? Continuous jukebox, play disc, and order. What is that? What do I do? Oh, this is confusing. I don't understand redstone. Do I put music disc in? Okay, take that back out. Okay, if any of you guys know what to do, please tell me. I'm a little confused. And I totally mean a little. I'm just like, just the slightest bit confused. This is a fountain. You might drown in here, because I drown sometimes. Is that a cow? Simple jukebox plays a random disc when you press a button. Take that. Let's play wait. I don't want to play. Is my life alive? Okay, I don't think I've explored over here yet. Oh, there's different crafting recipes. That's kind of useless, actually. Let's see. Oh, and, man, I don't know how I forgot this. But I got 5 subscribers. I know you might be thinking, like, oh, gosh, I have 70. That's just so weak. Well, not for a person who's never had a subscriber in their life. Da, 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 sad music playing. So, I forgot I was in creative. Oh, gosh. Okay. So, this is sometimes my brain just doesn't work. I'm going to be doing a 5-sub special soon. And if this video gets at least 3 likes, I will do a 3rd part and try to find out what I should do. So, thank you all for watching so much. This is your Ender Corgi, and goodbye.